Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all students of grade 5. How are you doing? I wish you are fine today. Well class, this one for our learning on chapter 6. Here we go. Chapter 6. Do you know the way to blah blah blah? Well class, on this chapter we are going to learn about do you know the way to. On this chapter we are going to learn about asking for and giving direction. Meminta dan memberikan arah. Yang kedua, history of monuments in Jakarta. Sejarah monumen di Jakarta. For more information about this chapter, let's discuss it together. Here we go. A. Listening. Please pay attention carefully. Look at the picture. Lihat gambar tersebut. Guess the direction in bahasa Indonesia. Tebak arah berikut ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Okay, I would like to give you about this lesson. West. Do you know west in Indonesia? West, yes, that's right. West is barat. What about east? East is timur. Then south. South is selatan. Then north. North is utara. Okay, what about northwest, northeast, southeast, and southwest? Anyone knows? Ada yang tahu? Wow, very good if you know them. Then discuss it now. Northwest is combination between north and west. So, northwest is barat laut. Okay, what about northeast? North is utara. Northeast is timur. So, northeast is timur laut. Then, what about southeast? Southeast. South is selatan, is timur. So, southeast is tenggara. Then the last is southwest. South selatan, west barat. So southwest is barat daya. Okay, students, do you get it about this lesson? Well, very good. And then now continue for listening test. Listen to your teacher carefully, then fill in the blanks. Oke, dengarkan guru kalian, kemudian nanti kalian suruh mengisinya. Tapi perhatikan, oke, for this listening test, I would like to share you the voice note. Nah, nanti untuk yang listening ini, Mister akan kirimkan voice note. Then you write on your notebook what you heard. Ya, nanti anak-anak tuliskan apa yang kalian dengarkan. Okay, about listening. Then we'll continue on speaking. Here it is. Be speaking. Repeat after your teacher reading the dialogue. Repeat after your teacher reading the dialogue. Ikuti setelah guru kalian baca reading ini di dalam dialog. Ya, maksudnya ikutin setelah guru kalian dialog tersebut. Then circle the expressions of asking for and giving direction from the dialogue. Kemudian lingkari ekspresi tersebut tentang meminta dan memberikan arahan dari percakapan tersebut. Nah, Then discuss it now. Mita. Hi Azril. What is your activity on this weekend? Hai Azril. Apa kegiatanmu di akhir pekan ini? Azril. Hi Mita. I'm interested to go to the Monument of Independence Proclamation. My family also joins to go there. How about you? Hai Mita, I'm interested. Saya tertarik untuk pergi ke Monument of Independence Proclamation, yaitu Monumen Proklamasi Kemerdekaan. My family, keluargaku juga ikut pergi ke sana. How about you? Bagaimana dengan kamu? Mita. It sounds good, Azril. I choose to go to the Irian Jaya Liberation Monument. Wah, ini terdengar bagus, Azril. I choose, saya memilih pergi ke Monumen Pembebasan Irian Jaya. Azril. Wow, that's great. Does your family join with you? Wow, itu keren. Does your family, apakah keluargamu ikut denganmu? Mita. Yes, they do. By the way, can you show the location of Monument of Independence Proclamation? I want to know the location it is. Ya, mereka ikut. By the way, ngomong-ngomong, bisakah kamu menunjukkan lokasi daripada Monumen Proklamasi Kemerdekaan? I want to know. Saya ingin tahu lokasi tersebut. Azril. Yes, I can. What do you use to go there? Ya, saya bisa. What do you use? Kamu ke sana naik apa? Mita. Maybe I can use Transjakarta bus from Pulau Gadung Shelter. Mungkin saya akan menggunakan bus Transjakarta dari halte Pulau Gadung. Azril. Okay. First, you use Transjakarta bus from Pulau Gadung to Matraman to Shelter. Baiklah. First, pertama, kamu menggunakan bus Transjakarta dari Pulau Gadung menuju halte Matraman kedua. Then, kemudian, you transit from Matraman to Matraman One Shelter. Kemudian, kamu transit dari Matraman atau dari halte Matraman 2 menuju halte Matraman 1. You also can walk by foot in 15 or 20 minutes. Nah, kamu juga bisa berjalan sekitar 15 sampai 20 menit. Go along Matraman Street. Berjalan sepanjang Jalan Matraman and turn left, dan kemudian belok kiri. You continue your trip by walking again. You continue, kamu melanjutkan perjalananmu dengan berjalan kembali. Go ahead, jalan lurus, oke, jalan lurus, go ahead, and turn right, dan kemudian belok kanan. If you see a library, jika kamu melihat sebuah perpustakaan, you can turn left. Kamu bisa belok kiri. And the Monument of Independence Proclamation in your right side. Dan Monumen Proklamasi Kemerdekaan ada di sisi kananmu. On page 60, still continue the dialogue. Nah, di halaman 60 masih melanjutkan dialog tersebut. Mita. That's the simple way, right? Thanks. Itu jalan yang simpel kan? Terima kasih. Azril, of course. How can I find the way to the Irian Jaya Liberation Monument by using a car? Oh, tentu. How can I find? Bagaimana saya bisa menemukan jalan menuju Monumen Pembebasan Irian Jaya menggunakan sebuah mobil? Mita. Because your house on Tipar Cakung Street, okay. Because your house on Tipar Cakung Street, karena rumahmu ada di Jalan Tipar Cakung, you have to go ahead along Tipar Cakung Street. You have to, kamu harus. Jadi kamu harus jalan lurus panjang Jalan Tipar Cakung. Turn right onto Raya Bekasi Street. Belok kanan menuju Jalan Raya Bekasi. Go straight on Jalan Raya Bekasi to Letjen Suprapto Street. Go straight, jalan lurus menuju Jalan Raya Bekasi sampai ke Jalan Letjen Suprapto. Keep right to stay on Jalan Letjen Suprapto. Tetap jalan lurus menuju atau berada di Jalan Letjen Suprapto. Then kemudian you can keep straight onto Kramat Bunder Street. Nah, kemudian kamu bisa jalan lurus menuju Jalan Kramat Bunder atau Jalan Bunder Kramat. Turn right slightly to get on Jalan Senen Raya. Turn right slightly to get on Jalan Senen Raya. Turn right slightly. Belok kanan sedikit menuju Jalan Senen Raya. Turn left onto Jalan Queenie 2 to Banteng Selatan Field Street. Belok kiri menuju Jalan Queenie 2 menuju Jalan Lapangan Banteng Selatan. An Irian Jaya Liberation Monument is inside the field. Dan monumen pembebasan Irian Jaya berada di dalam lapangan tersebut. On page 61, Azril. Oh, I know it the way to go there, Mita. Thank you. Oh, saya tahu jalan menuju ke sana. Mita, terima kasih, Mita. Yeah. Well, class, this one for your second exercise. Answer the question based on the dialogue. Jawab pertanyaan tersebut berdasarkan dialog di atas tadi ya. Number 1. Who are the persons in the dialogue? Siapa orang-orang yang berada di percakapan tersebut? Number 2. What is Azril's activity on the weekend? Apa kegiatan Azril di akhir pekan? Number 3. Where does Azril go on the weekend? Kemana Azril pergi di akhir pekan? 4. Where does Mita go on the weekend? Kemana Mita pergi di akhir pekan? 5. Does Mita's family join her to go? Apakah keluarganya Mita ikut dia pergi juga? 6. How does Azril go to the Proclamation of Independence Monument? Bagaimana atau naik apa Azril pergi ke monumen kemerdekaan proklamasi atau monumen proklamasi kemerdekaan? 7. How does Mita go to the Irian Jaya Liberation Monument? How does Mita go to the Irian Jaya Liberation Monument? Naik apa Mita pergi ke monumen pembebasan Irian Jaya? And the last, number 8. Do they use the map to go their destination? Apakah mereka menggunakan peta untuk ke tujuan mereka? Nah, well class, please answer this question on your notebook. Oke? Ya, ditulis soalnya ya. Soalnya ditulis dan berikut answer jawabannya di bawah buku, di buku kalian. Well class, this one for learning today. Well student, this one for our learning today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your attention. Allah always bless us. See you next meeting. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.